Did you take a video of the victim in this case having sexual relations with you or somebody else? So there's their videoing of sex, and then he sends it to somebody else. 260-725-297.
Good afternoon, judges. We have John Graziani appearing on behalf of Sir Henry Lund, who's to my left. Please identify yourself, sir.
Henry Lund.
Okay, so they don't want me to give 771. They object.
Judge, I just want to let you know here and at sentencing, I will be busting it or particulars that will be let out that will let you know what this gentleman is doing, including a willingness to serve jail time, but that's neither here nor there at this point, but I will let you know at sentencing. I feel that this is the action. Like I said, I feel like I'm talking for sentencing.
Who did he allegedly send this?
It was his ex-girl. Well, it was a mutual friend of
I don't like
him and
those.
his ex-girlfriend. It was extremely mature, Judge.
So there's their videoing of sex, and then he sends it to somebody else.
It was, Judge, it was a mutual friend.
I don't care.
It was stupid,
I don't care.
but it was not like.
I'm just telling you, I don't want to mislead him. I'm not taking it under 771.1. That's so maliciously damaging, so maliciously damaging. So, I mean, I'm not going to stop you from making your argument, but the fact is that I'm not likely to take this case under 771.1. So if you,
Judge, I hope we're in a position to reserve it for sentencing. There's extenuating circumstances surrounding.
I can't wait to hear him, but I'm just being upfront.
No, understood,
If you
Judge.
take this plea, I'm not likely to take it under 771.1. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
And that's dissemination of explicit visual material. Do you understand it?
Yes.
And that is punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail under local ordinance, costs of all those. And if you plead to that, that's count one. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss on motion of the prosecutor, count two. And I'm going to send you for a pre-sentence report. And then you're going to come back for sentence. Count two was malicious use of a telecommunications service. So do you understand all that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you sign, read, and understand? He didn't sign and read.
Judge, I didn't have him. I explained it to him, but
You gotta have him sign it. Why don't you take your time and you can sign it, so you'll give me. You can take your time and I will address that. And for the record, that wasn't just me. The people were objecting too. So
that's.
they wrote that on the form. But even so, even if they agreed to it, I don't know if I'd take it on a case like this. I doubt I would. And the problem with the 771 is I don't feel comfortable with that because technically nobody follows that statute correctly. The prosecutor really has to be the one to move to dismiss. And if they're objecting, they're not going to move to dismiss. And I'm not dismissing it on my own at the end of the probationary period.
No, Judge, I just wanted, what's happened here is the circumstances involved, this profession that this gentleman is involved with would be requesting why he may have been terminated from a particular position. And as a result, this Mr. Lent is already receiving the consequences with the
But do
inability.
you understand what I just said? Even if I wanted to do it, even if the prosecutor had no problem with it, they have to be the ones to move to dismiss. The statute's not followed correctly to begin with. So I'm just telling you, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to be able to do it. And before I go on, I want everybody to understand that, in fairness.
You understand that?
Yes, I understand.
And you understand the possible penalties.
Yes,
And you did sign and read and understand the advice of rights.
yes, sir.
And you understand if you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights. And we are not going to have a trial of any kind. You understand that?
Yes, I understand.
All right, to the charge, dissemination, intentional dissemination of sexually explicit visual material. How do you plead?
Guilty.
All right, did you take a video of the victim in this case having sexual relations with you or somebody else?
Yeah,
And was that with you or somebody else? I don't need you to state the name if it wasn't you.
me.
Okay. And then did you take that, retain it, and then after the two of you broke up, did you send that to somebody?
Yes, sir.
And that was to a mutual friend of who?
Both of us.
And was that a male or female?
Female.
And did she, the victim, give you permission in this case to do that? Did she have any knowledge that you were going to do that before you did that?
I don't believe so.
Are you on probation or parole?
Correct.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Please accept it. To that charge, count one. Count two is dismissed on motion of the prosecutor. You can't do dumb things. How old are you?
32.
Come on. You know better. I hate that when they put anybody in a compromising situation like that. I'm not saying they were smart to have it videoed, but that isn't right. Pre-sentence report, sentence date. I'll take a sentence date from you, Heather, and we're gonna send this gentleman, to probation for a pre-sentence report.
That will be on June 9th at 8:30.
June the 9th at 8:30, sir, okay? June the 9th at 8:30. So what's going to happen is you're going to go down the hall, you're going to get your paper notice, and then you are going to go down across the probation and you're going to be interviewed, and they will prepare a report and recommendation. And then you'll have a chance to allocute for yourself, your lawyer will at the time of the sentencing, okay? We understand everything?
Yes, I understand.
Anything else, Mr. Graziani?
Judge, nothing else except that when I stated I intend to do it.
You're not going to agitate me. I'm just telling you, not only.
Judge, I have no intention of agitating.
No, I know you're not. You're not going to. Don't worry about it. You can argue it, but I'm telling you, I'm not going to do it. But you still can argue it. I'm not going to, I'll sit here, you can make a record of it. And the reason, again, is because I don't have the authority, or at least I should never stick my nose in dismissing a case under 771, because if you read the statute, nobody follows it appropriately. To me, it's incumbent upon the prosecutor to have to be the one to dismiss on that. That's my feeling. I'll see you back here June 9th, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Good luck.